Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today on the menu we have callaloo and saltfish with dumplings, and since I don't have bananas I'm gonna use plantain. So I have my saltfish over here. My saltfish is already boiling, so I'm about to turn it off and let it boil again to get rid of all that salt. Okay, so while the saltfish is boiling again, I'm gonna make my dumplings. And I'm gonna add some salt for my dumplings. A little salt for my dumplings. I'm gonna put the plantains in first before I put the dumplings in. So I'll cut it in like 3 pieces. Right now, time to make my dumplings. So still need to like this. Put mine in the water. Put it. This is how it's gonna come soft. It's boiling, so it's time to add the dumplings. Okay. So in the midst of me making the dumplings, the camera cut off because I didn't have enough storage. So I have to fill some space. So now back to my dumplings. So I'm just gotta do it like this. Okay, my dumplings been boiling for like 20 minutes now. I could turn it off because the saltfish take up too much of the time. Like, for some reason this saltfish didn't have too much bone in it. So I had to, yeah, it took up a lot of my time. So the plantains even was cooked, so I had to take it out. But now my dumplings are cooked, so I'm about to turn it off and get to my callaloo. Yeah. When you see this, the froth at the top, your dumplings are cooked, okay? You can see. But yeah. My saltfish right here. That took up like, yeah, it took up a lot of time. I was relieved when I was at the last piece. Jeez. But yeah. So let me just cook this real quick. I'm gonna add some oil. I didn't even cook this. What you doing, sis? camera keep cutting off because I don't have much space. I need to delete my stuff. But I'm just put a little bit of pepper into it. Not much, but yeah. So now it's time. Okay. But yeah, you gotta take the bones out of the saltfish. Unless you can find some boneless ones. But yeah, I always buy the boneless saltfish. I don't know. Well, I know I picked up this one. It was cheaper. So there you go. To get some cheaper saltfish, I had to go through all that. Get out so much bones. But I'm gonna go back to my normal saltfish I always buy. Because I don't know, it's too much time. But anyways, let me put this coconut oil in. Oh, something just scared me just now. But down. I have some onions, scallion, tomatoes, and a little hot pepper. Let's test it. Out the way. This is the brand I have. I tried the Linstead one too, it's good. Because that's of Jamaica. Add the saltfish now. I still see some bones in it after all that. But I forgot most of it. So that's all that matters. Look, I need some more coconut oil. Definitely. Yeah. It's looking dry right now. Not a whole lot of coconut oil in here. Let it cook for a little bit. And then I add my color. Add some black pepper before I add the color in there. It's looking like a, my hand went heavy with that oil, but it was like sucking up. Oh. I don't tell you about this black pepper, so don't think it's too hot, it ain't. Got some bones in here too. I'll figure out what I'm eating. It's cool. It looks like I put too much oil in this thing, but Yes. I think I'm about to push them up. Recording the whole time? Oh my god. No. I'm sorry I missed that. So I just noticed that it wasn't recording when I added the callaloo. Sorry. There it goes. I'm gonna let it cook for like 5 minutes. So after I add the callaloo, I let it cook for 5 minutes and I turned it off.